are watching this video and you have to like it and subscribe to the channel or you will have 7 years of bad luck. Wahaha ha 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 ha.
Do you want such an apron?
Three eggs whites. Ten grams vanilla sugar. Slowly add 180 grams of sugar. Raspberry marmalade. When you add raspberries, you stir it in quickly because it can become too liquid. Add more raspberry marmalade. I stirred too much time. Raspberry marmalade. Meringue French pronunciation is a type of dessert or candy, often associated with Swiss, French, Polish and Italian cuisines, traditionally made from whipped egg whites and sugar, and occasionally an acidic ingredient such as lemon, vinegar, or cream of tartar. A binding agent such as salt, flour, or gelatin may also be added to the eggs. The key to the formation of a good meringue is the formation of stiff peaks by denaturing the protein ovalbumin via mechanical shear. Its flavorants are vanilla, a small amount of apple juice, or orange juice, although if extracts of these are used and are based on an oil infusion, an excess of fat from the oil may inhibit the egg whites from forming a foam. They are light, airy and sweet confections. Homemade meringues are often chewy and soft with a crisp exterior, while many commercial meringues are crisp throughout. A uniform crisp texture may be achieved at home by baking at a low temperature 80 to 100 degrees Celsius or 176 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit for an extended period of up to 2 hours. It all came down to me too fluidly and I couldn't make any other shape other than round. Ha, ha. In the oven for 60 minutes at 100 degrees C.